Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade chocolate. First, gather your high-quality ingredients like cocoa butter and cocoa powder. Next, you'll gently melt the cocoa butter using a double boiler method. Then, we'll combine everything for a smooth mixture. And finally, temper the chocolate for that perfect finish. It's a fun and rewarding process. Starting with the right ingredients is key for delicious homemade chocolate. You'll need good quality cocoa butter, cocoa powder, and your preferred sweetener. Gently melt the cocoa butter in a double boiler, ensuring the heat is low and steady. It's crucial to prevent any water from getting into the melting butter, as this can cause it to seize. Once your cocoa butter is melted, it's time to combine it with the other dry ingredients. Gradually whisk in your cocoa powder and sweetener until the mixture is completely smooth and lump-free. Now is also the perfect moment to add any flavorings, such as a touch of vanilla extract or a pinch of sea salt, to enhance the taste. Tempering is essential for chocolate with a beautiful shine and a satisfying snap. Heat your chocolate to about 115 degrees Fahrenheit, then cool it down to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Reheat it slightly to between 88 and 91 degrees Fahrenheit. This process stabilizes the cocoa butter crystals. Finally, pour the tempered chocolate into your molds and let it set completely.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.